Hi, good day everyone. This is a website, so I'll be working us through this website. So this website is built with Lovable, and this website is connected to n8n automation workflow. So the first workflow is when you book an appointment, and also the second workflow is when you want to generate a beauty routine based on your profile. So firstly, I'm going to sign with email and just to show us how the two email processes work. So first, I'm going to sign in with my email, and so being able to sign in. So here we have our dashboard, just like I showed yesterday. So it's just to conclude the other issues that I fix. So I'm just going to go to the membership. So currently you can see on my dashboard that I'm currently in pay per visit, so currently in the free tier. So I want to choose the VIP tier, so I'm just going to go to, so this takes me to here. So I'm going to choose the VIP. So I'm going to pay with the card 34 and I'm going to pay, and so I'm going to subscribe now. So you can see it says welcome to VIP membership. So being able to subscribe, and now currently our subscription is currently showing the VIP subscription. So if you go to our, so this is just showing the listing, but in our dashboard it shows that what is our current membership tier. And if you go to the database, you're able to view our database and see the subscription tier, which is the VIP. And so you can see VIP currently have two VIPs. So that's it for that. And we also have our generate beauty routine, and we have our booking history. So here we have our booking history that have been booked for the past. So let me just sign out and sign up with the new Google account. So I'm going to show us the book flow and the creating of a beauty routine. So here I'm going to sign in. Let's say create one, sign up with Google. So here I'm going to sign up with this. So you can see I've been able to log in and with my Google account. So here you can see now our first one, the person already generates a beauty routine, so it's going to show the beauty routine that was generated for the person. So here, because this person has not completed his profile, so it's going to tell them complete your profile first and add your details. So if you click on this, it's going to say please complete your profile to generate routine. So we just go to our add your details. So it's going to populate that. We had our skincare, we had sensitive, we have coily, so you have darkness, dullness, texture. So I can put no allergies, and then we save changes. So once we save changes, you will see it will not show the complete profile again. So you can see, so we've complete our profile. Once you go to the dashboard, you can see now it's no more showing this. And if we generate beauty routine, it's going to push to our automation workflow in our n8n. So I'm going to generate now. So I want to generate a beauty routine. So it's going to generate this beauty routine based on my profile. So what I have in my profile, I have skincare sensitive, oil type, skin concern. So these are what is going to use to generate a beauty routine for the user. So I have this. So once I click on this, so it's generating. So you can see it says your beauty routine is ready. So now you can see prioritize barrier repair and hydration. So it gives you the what you should do on morning, evening, and weekly treatment. So that is this, and we have a new regenerate. So if you want to regenerate, so it's going to make this current beauty routine inactive. So this you won't be able to. So this is going to now show the current active beauty routine, so that it's already showing that maybe you have a new beauty routine. So this is the new beauty routine that you should follow. So that is that. And if we go to our book, if you go to our workflow now, you should see the workflow being executed. And so here you can see 7:56, which is when I create the beauty routine. And if you see, we have prioritize repair, barrier repair and hydration, and here you have it here showing as the main summary of what this beauty routine is all about. So then I'll go to my bookings. So here I'm going to select nail classic medicure, and I'm going to pick a date. I'm going to pick today's date. I'm going to pick 9 p.m. and I'm say I will be bringing my nail, my own paint for the nail manicure. So once I do that, once I click on the confirm booking, we should see our booking here. We should get an email. So we should get a calendar set for the booking and also an email. So let's wait for that. So let me remove this. So now I'm going to click on confirm booking and we'll see how it goes. So confirm booking. So see, now we've booked this today at 9 a.m. and if you go to our, you can see 7:59 this. So you can see it books, it creates a calendar, sends an email and send a response back. So if you check our calendar, you can see we have our classic manicure, which is what we picked, classic manicure, and it was set to 9 to 10 p.m. And if you check our mail, so you see in our mail, let's go to our mail. So this is the confirmation booked. So it's named, the date, the time, and because it's currently in paper visit, it's going to show this. And then once we've done that, so we've been able to, if you want to regenerate. Let's say we just want to move to monthly plan. So I'm just going to choose monthly plan and subscribe, and for the monthly subscription, so we have 12, 34, 1, 2, 3. So then I'll just subscribe. So once you subscribe, load back and see, says what, welcome to monthly membership. So we've subscribed for the monthly membership, and our current membership tier is monthly services, so 15% off services of anything that we do. So that is that. And here we have our profile. You can see in the beauty routine, it says what, these are our active ritual beauty routines. So once we generate a new one, it clears this up and show the active beauty routine. And so that will be all, and thank you very much. Bye.